Abhilasha, this is the 8th murder reported from the city. So what could be the motive behind the murder? Any breakthrough at this point in time?
Well, Pooja, let me just first tell you the motive is yet to be discovered, yet to be disclosed by the police since the investigation are on right after the case have come to light. But to my audience, I would like to inform that another sensational murder story has come to light, and a body has been recovered from this house, inside this house. Again, this murder incident have come to light, and this time it's near around Hattigao area, Lakshminagar, Chinmoy Pot, and this is the house number 24, Ataur Rahman's house, and a caretaker named Milan Chetri. His body has been found there inside this house, and as the neighbors have complained to police, and also police have investigated, and in the preliminary terms, they have said that the body might have murdered quite 3-4 days earlier to this. So the body was found in a very bad condition in a pool of blood, and a very sharp a very sharp knife has also been recovered inside near the body where the deceased was been found. So a sharp knife was also found inside the house near the body, and the police have recovered all the items, and the body has been sent for the post-mortem. But interestingly, a suspected murder case have again come to light inside Guwahati city, and this time this is near around Hattigao, Lakshminagar area,
Right.
Chinmoy Pot. Once again, I would say Lakshminagar, Chinmoy Pot, house number 24. The caretaker of the house, his body has been found mysteriously dead inside this house, and police in the very preliminary stage, they have informed the media that the murder case has
Okay.
been the murder was done, but the murder has been done nearly approx 3-4 days earlier to this, before the whole incident has been come to light. So another sensational murder story has come to light, and this time the caretaker Milan Chetri, his body has been found inside this house. Who was the caretaker who has been staying in this house from the last 3 to 4 years? His family was also here before 3-4 years, but from the last 2 years, the neighbors have informed that he's been staying alone, taking care of the house alone. And also one more thing have come to light, as the neighbors have said, that he was not there was no movement of Milan Chetri coming inside or coming outside the house from the last 3-4 days. And after this, since the neighbors smelled some gross thing from this house, this smells very bad from this house, and that's why they complained the police. And as the police arrived, they worked inside the house, and they found the dead body of Milan Chetri, the caretaker of the house. So another mysterious incident, a murder incident
Right,
has come to
Abhilasha,
light, and this time again, a caretaker, Milan Chetri's body has been found inside this house. Yeah.
Right, Abhilasha. So at
Pooja.
this point in time, what are the police officials saying? Investigation is still on. What are the neighbors saying? Have they seen anyone going inside the house during these days? So any suspicion on any person?
Exactly, that's what I've said, that there was no movement found in the last 2-3 days. Even Milan Chetri, the caretaker of the house, whose body has been found, the deceased person, even his movement was not found. Even his movement, any of the movement, any people going inside the house or outside the house, even Milan Chetri was not found going inside or outside the house. So there was no movement from the last 3-4 days, and that's what that's the most suspicious thing. That's the most suspicious thing. Even neighbors have complained that the last 3-4 days there was no movement inside the house of any people, not even Milan Chetri. And since the people they smell something very gross from this house, so after that the neighbors complained. They complained the police station. They called the police station, and when the police arrived, they had to break the lock inside the house. They had to break the main key of the gate, and when they were entered inside, they found the dead body of Milan Chetri, to which the police have they have suspected that the murder case has been done, or that the incident has happened quite 3-4 days earlier to this.